Welcome to Shrimad Home Remedies, and I'll tell you about 5 natural remedies for cough and cold, and it really works. The common cold is almost always accompanied by a cough and can be quite an irritating condition to deal with. While medications can help reduce the symptoms you experience, a cold has no cure and it takes about 7 days to resolve. So instead of loading your body with all those chemicals, why not try something natural to beat the discomfort you feel? I'll tell you 5 home remedies that work to not only keep a cough and cold at bay, but also helps relieve the symptoms. Now the garlic. Garlic is packed with antioxidants and is perfect to protect you against a cough and cold. Apart from that, garlic contains a compound known as allicin, which is known to have great antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Now I'll tell you how to use garlic. The first step is, if you have been suffering from an earache, it could be a sign of an infected throat or eustachian tube. This can later lead to a cough and cold. So in order to thwart its progression into one, crush a few pods of garlic and wrap it in a clean cloth. Now place this in your ear. Make sure you don't push it in too deep. Now the second way. If you have a cough and cold, take about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Lightly crush and saute it in a little ghee. Have this as an easy remedy. Alternatively, you can also juice 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tomatoes and a lemon to make a delicious antibacterial and antiviral drink. You can also combine these ingredients to prepare a tomato and garlic soup with a little rock salt if you prefer. You may like to read about causes also, but I'll tell you later. Treat your cold and cough with turmeric. Turmeric is rich in curcumin and volatile oils that have a protective as well as therapeutic action. If person suffering from cough and cold, haldi also has antiviral and antibacterial activity that can help beat the infection. Now I'll tell you how to use turmeric. The best way to use turmeric is as soon as you feel a scratchy sensation in your throat that indicates the onset of a sore throat or cough. Turmeric can help prevent the infection from worsening. The easiest way to use turmeric is as haldi doodh. To make this drink, take a teaspoon of haldi and add it to a glass of milk. Now, boil the mixture and drink it while it is still hot. You can add some honey to the mixture too. In order to sweeten the drink and to its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Now, tip 2. You can also have some turmeric tea to treat the condition. All you need to do is to boil 4 cups of water. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to it and boil the water. Once done, allow it to stand for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture using a fine strainer and then mix in a little honey and lemon. Your medicinal turmeric tea is ready. You can also add some tulsi to the tea to make it a better natural remedy. The third remedy is drink protective herbal tea. Besides the turmeric tea mentioned, what I told you above, there are other herbal teas that also helps people who suffer from frequent cough and cold. These teas combine the beneficial effects of different ingredients such as pepper, ginger, tulsi and cinnamon. to help relieve the symptoms of cold and cough and keep the condition at bay. Now, how to use this? Mix 4 pods of cardamom, 4 cones of black pepper, 4 cloves, and a few small slices of fresh ginger, and small piece of cinnamon in water. Allow the mixture to boil. Turn the flame to low, cover and vessel, and allow it to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Then strain the tea. Mix in a little milk or honey and drink it while it is still warm. Now, how you will prepare this? You can also prepare a simple tea with tulsi by adding about 15 washed leaves of tulsi into 1.5 cups of water, 1.5 glass of water, and boiling. After 10 minutes, strain this liquid, mix in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and drink it while it is still warm. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, and this, in combination with the medicinal ingredients of the tulsi, will improve your immunity against the cold. You can also prepare a gargling solution at home using neem and honey. Take about 3 leaves of honey with a medium-sized glass of water and boil the mixture. When the liquid has cooled, mix 1 tablespoon of honey and gargle to get relief from a sore throat. Much before the time of halls and stepsills, homes in India used to have their own lozenge-like remedies for cough and cold. Not only this remedy help reduce the irritation you feel in your throat, but it also has a natural way to treat cough. Now, how to use these things? I'll tell you by a very simple remedy, and you can easily prepare this. Chop a small quantity of ginger and extract the juice from it. Also roast a powder, a few cones of pepper. Mix the ginger juice, pepper powder, a pinch of turmeric, and add a little honey to make it a thick paste. Now roll it into small balls to make it into toffees. Place these inside your mouth like you would a longe and keep sucking on this for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat it 2 or 3 times in a day for relief. If you develop productive cough that causes bulgum, you can help your body expel the sputum with the simple home remedies. A productive cough can be a symptom of various conditions, right from an infection in the chest to serious ailments like bronchitis, pneumonia, and even tuberculosis. So if your cough persists for more than 1 week, visit your doctor for proper diagnosis. Now, how to use this? Take a few peppercorns with a little cumin and jaggery. Add a little water and keep boiling the mixture until you get a concentrated decoction. Cool and drink it to help expel the bulgum blocking your airways. Take a few betel leaves and crush them to extract the juice. Take about 2 teaspoons of the juice, mix in 1 teaspoon of honey and consume the mixture twice a day, about half an hour after food. This will provide relief in case of productive cough. Along with these home remedies, you could also try some OTC cough formulations meant for your cough type in order to get relief from some of the symptoms which may be keeping you under the weather. However, if you find the cough and cold persisting beyond a week, make it a point to consult a doctor to find out if there is some other underlying health issue. You may like to know about the medicines for cough and cold. Thank you. So please subscribe to my channel Shrimad Home Remedies and give your comment. Thank you.